Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this particular video we are going to discuss AASL number 2022 question number 8. This is a logarithm based paper, and let's start. Then the first part is very simple, evaluating the logarithms. So basic exponents and logarithms idea is enough to solve this, and it carries around 15 marks. So let's start. First, calculate 3 logarithmic evaluation we need to do. Log to 1 over 16. So first we know that using the formula booklet. Let me show you which formula we need to use. Here it's itself 1.7 exponents and logarithms. 1.5 also. A power x equal b means it can be expressed x is equal to log ab. And with these conditions. And these many logarithmic idea is there. So we can use whenever applicable. Right? So let's get back to the solution page. Okay, first one is log to 1 over 16. Let's solve. So we can make a strategical approach here. So I want to evaluate what is this. So let it be A as of now. Right? Then you transpose this log 2 to the other side. Like inverse, if you divide, if you change or divide, it will go multiply, the plus will go minus. So log 2, what is the reciprocal function of log 2 or inverse of log 2 is exponential. So if you're log a x something, and what is the reciprocal? A power x. This and this are reciprocal. So log 2, when you transpose, it will go, whatever the base you have, yeah, of course it will go as an exponential function. So 2 power whatever and then input will get raised to the exponent. So this is the basic idea. And now it's very simple. I need to find a 16, 1 by 16, I should express it base 2. So it can be written as 16 power negative 1 equal 2 power a. 16 can be expressed as 2 power 4 and then whole power minus 1 is there. So 2 power 4, then the power minus 1 still exists and 2 power a. Solving this further, we will get 2 power a equal 2 power negative 4 and a is negative 4. Actually, what is my a? A is nothing but log 2 1 over 16 equals negative 4. Very simple one. Same method we are going to do for the rest of the problem here. Right, let's see the next. Log 9 3 equals, let me make it as b, and same log 9 when you transpose it will go 9, that base of log will go to the base of the exponential function, b will get raised equal 3. So this time 3 is 3, but 9 can be expressed in terms of 3, like 3 square whole power b, and again power to the power will get multiplied. Bases are same. 3 means it's 3 power 1 and 1 equal to 2b, b is 1 over 2. Right, that's it. So what is my b? My b is nothing but whatever they asked to evaluate, the required stuff. Log 9 3 is 1 by 2. Quite simple. Same thing we are going to apply for this. So log 381 equal to, let it be c. Log root 3 when you transpose, root 3 power c, and make sure whole power c equal 81. Now 81 is equal to root 3 means what? It's 3 power half and then whole power c. 81 equal to 3 power and power will get multiplied c over 2. Right? Now express 81 in terms of 3, it's 3 power 4 equal 3 power c over 2. Two power form are equal, their bases are equal, so exponent can be equated. C by 2 equal 4 and c is 8. What is my c? My c is nothing but log root 3 81 equal 8. That's simple. So first part is over. It covers almost 7 marks. And next, it's a proof part. Log with base AB, A equal 3. Where A and B are positive real numbers and AB is not equal 1. Show that log AB equal minus 2. Right? So let's start. What is given? We can start with that. it is given that log AB A equal 3. This is given to us. Now, let me check the log AB, simplifying, right? So, log AB to the other, so I will get A is equal to AB whole raised to the power 3. Let me simplify. And I am looking for log with AB, but the input should be pure B. So, we are in our try, we are going to approach to make B as a subject. So, A cubed, B cubed. And this is the important part. Most of us will do like this. Okay, log AB power 3. In a hurry, right? So we should be careful. It's AB the whole power 3. And now let's solve for B. Make B as a subject. B cube is equal to A by A cube. B cube is 1 by A square. Okay, if I take B, it will be like square root of something. Let it be as it is, B cube. Okay, somehow I make B as a subject. Now, log ABB. So B cube is equal to A power minus 2. This can be written like this, right? With the exponent. Take logarithm with base AB on both the sides. What will happen? Let's see. So log with base AB, B cube equal to log with base AB, A power minus 2. And we know this rule. It is also given in our formula booklet. Let me switch to that part. Here, this is the important stuff. Log A x power m equal to m log A x. So log, whatever the base, the acceptable base for logarithm, x power m. If your input can be expressed, the whole input raised to some power, that exponent can be multiplied in front. Okay, that can be allowed. So this is the thing we are going to use here. Let's switch to the solution page now. And let's apply it. Okay, so what happened? My whole input is raised to the power 3. So it can be written as 3 times log AB with the base alone. And same can be done here. Minus 2 can be multiplied inside log AB A. Right? And okay, I need log ABB equal minus 2. And this 3 can be transposed here. What is log ABA? It's given as 3. Right? So we can input it and just solve it. That's it. We got log AB with base B equals minus 2. This is what we need to prove. And we are at the proved part now. Right? Log AB, input B is minus 2. That's simple. Now next part. Hence or otherwise, you need to evaluate this particular stuff. Right? For this, again, I'm going to share the formula sheet. Which formula will work here? Okay, first let me tell you. Okay, log some base is there. Let me, there will be n. And then I have a numerator A, denominator B, something like this. So we have to look. Single log is given, so we have to expand it. And then we have to solve. So there is different kinds of formula we're going to use. And all the formulas are together. Let me show you here in the formula booklet. Right, so first we will use this formula. And then square root formula, it's not there. So we will use this also again. Yeah, so these two formulas we will apply here. Right, let's get back to the solution page. And here we go. Right, so first is a division formula. Log AB cube root A divided by square root B means you can decompose this log AB cube root A minus log AB square root B. Right. So how to expand, further simplify this? So log AB cube root means A power 1 by 3 minus log AB square root means B power 1 by 2. Now you check the 1 by 3. We know the rule, right? Log with base m x power n, means n can be written in French. So the same thing we can apply here. So it's 1 by 3 log AB and A minus 1 by 2 log AB and B. And we know these values. This evaluated, we have proved this. This is given stuff. Okay, this we proved and this we have, it's given. So 1 by 3. What is log ABA? It is given 3. And log ABB is minus 2. So let's substitute 3 here. Then minus 1 by 2. This is 2. So we got 1 minus 1, which is 0 here. Actually, it's minus 2, right? It cannot be 0. Sorry. And here. 3 and we have proved it's minus 2. So substitute minus 2 here. So it will be 1 plus 1 equals 2. That's simple, right? And we can move further. Yeah, that's it. So the problem completes here, and easily we can score 15 marks. That's it for today. Thank you so much for listening, and let's meet in next video.